Welcome back to day 10 of our RC car advent calendar build for Christmas. Right, I'm not going to waffle, we're going to get straight into number 10. Just here, it's a little tiny box, I don't know what it could possibly give. Keen-eyed viewers of you would already have picked up that on this side you get the parts and the instructions, so you'd probably worked out what it is already. But let's have a look. What do I think it is? I've not looked at this panel yet. I'm trying not to look so I can stay surprised. Honestly, yesterday we fitted the steering servo. I think it's going to be some form of steering link. That is the logical thing. And yes, not really very eventful, just a steering link. So here's the car, here's the steering link. Just there. That literally just pops on like that with 2 screws. I'm going to get the screws in now, we'll go. And there we go. Screws in, steering link is on. Nothing too exciting. As we've seen so far, when you're doing things day by day, there's only so much you can do, so much you can give out. Obviously, this whole car build needs to be stretched over 24 days, which is why the calendar works the way it does. But there we are. Not a very exciting video, this one. And there's probably going to be a few coming up that might not be that exciting. Hopefully they might be, because we're going to need cage, body, and other bits, wheels, and so on. But there we are. Anyway, thank you for watching the video. If you like what we do here, give us a big thumbs up. Drop a comment below. Tell me what you think of the calendar, think of the build, whether you'd get one yourself. And yeah, see you in the next one. Stay amped and Merry Christmas.